Unless you take courage and pursue your goals, you'll never leave your vision. Life is a journey, and only risk takers reach the destination. If you think that it's only those who are born privileged, around resources, or in wealthy homes that can influence and mark their generation, you are wrong. Some researchers have proved that only few of successful leaders' children have managed to follow the steps of their parents. But life has come to teach us that influential, strong, and inspirational brains go through storms, valleys, hardships in life. They have hustled to overcome the stories of their backgrounds. If you approach most of the influential men and women around the planet, each one of them has a story of the valley to tell you that will make you not have any reason or excuse about your background. These people have experienced toughness, hardship. For some of them were born in prostitution. Others grew up as stepkids, and others have experienced rejection. But the background has never been a good reason for self-pity. In most cases, broken backgrounds produce powerful, influential, and inspirational brains. Broken backgrounds cover strong storms and deep valleys that shape characters and teach wisdom. The problem is not the background, but the problem is what you have and how you decide to walk and what you decide to do with what you have. For a man who does not know what he has, he will never know why he lives. Discover what you have no matter the background. Stir it up day and night. Work hard. Be consistent. Focused. You end up by building yourself a brand with the broken background. Not listening to the noise of the windstorm, not looking at the deepness of the valley, but taking risks, walking with certainty. I know it will look impossible because you have no one around you to encourage you. No promise, and if you get some promises, they are never fulfilled. But keep on going. Set yourself goals and principles, for it is possible to be influential brand no matter your background. Anything is possible on earth. Just know who you are and what you have. Take courage and go. With the broken background, you can influence your generation.